Hey y'all, today I am going to do a review on the Kemimoto drink holder. I bought this off of Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, but it's got a little issue. Let me tell you about it. Hey, I bought the Kemimoto drink holder from Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, which is one of the reasons I picked it. I also picked it because it's got the little foot on the bottom to help hold my drink. It also comes with a metal crocodile clamp that you just screw on, and then the screw goes in the back and I can actually adjust it. Here's the problem. What I was going to use is I have this water bottle that I have from when I used to ride a bicycle all the time. And this is really cool because it's got a little liner in it, and I throw it in the freezer and then I put my water in it, keeps it nice and cold. I can squeeze it into my mouth because when you're riding sometimes, and you know, you need to have something that's very easy. And this is a very easy water bottle. Here's the problem. Okay, I mean, granted, it's not going anywhere, but it's not coming out very easy either when you are riding down the road on the bike. So that's a problem. If you stop by a grocery store and you just get regular Deer Park, it's a little more. I mean, at least it's not going anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere. But it's still a little snug. Now, what I found is if you get the slim bottles, they fit really good. The problem is, of course, this has a screw top. I don't want a screw top going down the road, because if I need to get something to drink and it is hot, 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 and here in North Carolina, when we have our 90-degree days and 100-degree days, I don't want that. So I found this little gem on Amazon. It is a slim. It's called a slim. Yes, and yes, I did decorate it with Queen Maria. But what I like is, one, it fits easy. Two, I hit the button. It pops open. Ding. Okay? Then all I have to do is hit that and it's done. Slide it back in. We are good to go. So again, that I got off Amazon. It's called a Slim SLM as opposed to SLIM. And the Kemimoto clamp. And then you can put it anywhere on your bike that, anywhere you can clamp it. So I hope that helped. And this was not expensive. It was not super expensive. I can't tell you how much it is right now. I don't remember, but I will have it in the link below. So make sure to hit like and subscribe. And if, you know, you don't mind all my bloopers, hit the notification button so you can see more. I hope y'all have a good day. Ride safe. See you later. All I gotta do is push the top. Okay, look, it's making a liar out of me. Okay, all I gotta do, let's try this again. All I gotta do is hit the top. There we go, worked that time. It's always worked. I don't know why it didn't work that one time. But I hit the butt. Take two, take three. I did, however, have one of these that I had ordered previously off Amazon. Okay, y'all know, I love me some Amazon. What can I say? You push a few buttons and ding, it shows up at your door. Goes back in. Everything is nice, easy, smooth. Smooth. Isn't that great? Don't you love it? Okay, ready? One more time. Okay. I like playing with my toys. What can I say? So make sure you hit like and subscribe and the notification button so you can see the next time that I am going to be, you know, reviewing something or trying something or doing something I'm not supposed to be doing. So y'all can get first view of it